Next, I want to do nav mode. See, the motor is pointing that way. When we hit the nav button and we give it some throttle, we'll give it 20% throttle. It's going to start straightening out. And it's going to take us in an A to B line. As long as our rudder or outboard in the back is straight, then this will go straight with no augmentation. It works best under 50% throttle. Past 50% throttle, some trolling motors have known to do like a snake motion and some don't. We actually haven't figured it out. The minute we do, we'll add a firmware update to fix that. But for the moment, just know that it works under 50% the best. At or under 50%. Now say I wanted to turn, like I like this line, but I want to kind of go to the left a little more. You're going to press it and it'll do 5% increments every time you press it. So now we made a 15% grade to the left from our original line, and then it will start straightening back out. Now say I want to do a hard right line, you can hold it and it will do that also if you wanted to just do a hard turn in another direction. And it'll straighten back out as it's doing. We're going to go hard right again. There we go. And it'll just autocorrect for the duration of the line that we choose, as long as we're in nav mode.